today we did the distance using Pythagorean theorem on a coordinate plane. So if you had 2 points, say for instance you had 1 and 3 and 2 and -4. And so I'm trying to find the difference between these 2 points. So what I'll do first is actually draw my axis. That's my y-axis. And I'm going to draw my x-axis. So my y, and this is my x. And so in this case, we know that to the right is positive, down is negative, the left is negative, and going up is positive. Okay, so our points will be at 1 and 3. So our first point will be here. That's 1 and 3. And then our second point will be at 2 and -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so here what I need to do is I need to try to figure out what's the distance between these 2 points. So I draw a line to connect these points. This will be considered as my diagonal line, which is the hypotenuse. And so now I'm going to just make a right triangle so I can calculate this because it's really our C. So now since we drew our right triangle, we're going to now find the units or count the units with the A and B. And so remember that our formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So our A, we're going to count the units. So starting here, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're counting each line until we get down to here. So this is A is 7. Okay? And so now we're going to count B. So we only count 1 time. So B is 1. So now we're going to say our 7 squared plus 1 squared will be our C squared. So 7 times 7 is 49 plus 1 is 50. So that's not the end answer. Now we have to actually put this in our calculator and determine what's the square root of 50. So the square root of 50 with our radical is 7.1 if we round to the nearest 10. So C, which is the distance for this point, will be 7.1. That will be our answer.